guys, what's up? This is Marco with Clean Out Plumbing. We're going to do a sewer replacement today with the trenchless polyethylene pipe system. We're going to go to replace a 4-inch clay pipe that's intruded with roots. It's cracked, it causes blockages. The customer just doesn't want to deal with it anymore, so you give us a call. As you can see right here, this fuse itself is stronger than the pipe itself. This is a polyethylene pipe. It has a 50-year lifespan on it. So it's one of those things, you do it once, you do it right, you're never going to worry about it again. This pipe will never allow any root to get in there. Like I said, our warranty is our reputation. Anything happens, if it's even past the warranty, we're here to help out our customers. If you guys have any questions or concerns regarding any of your plumbing issues, give us a call. It's $49 from any accessible clean out to camera the line, do a diagnostic for you guys, and give you guys options in terms of replacing your line. Give us a call. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now, we're getting this 1-inch wire, attaching it to this 4-inch head. It's gonna burst through the existing old cast iron pipe and put this brand new polyethylene pipe, seamless pipe in it.